Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by gathering source files and confirming Drive access. Open Drive. Google, Com, or the Drive app, then select or create a folder to hold everything. Once done, make sure you have enough storage and that files don't exceed individual limits. Large archives may need zipping. You're starting immediately with actionable steps so transfer stays efficient. If using desktop, enable Backup and Sync or Drive for desktop. This lets you drag files from Explorer or Finder straight into Drive for a reliable upload process. You now perform the core transfer. Drag and drop provides a quick upload, but if you have many files, run Drive for desktop to sync a local folder. This prevents browser timeouts. Once files are in Drive, you can move them between folders, or if transferring to another account, share the folder with editor rights and then make a copy in the destination account, or use Google Takeout to export and import. Monitor progress indicators, and use checksum-aware tools if integrity matters for large datasets. You're wrapping up by validating the transfer. Open several files to confirm they aren't corrupted and compare totals and folder sizes. This verifies completeness. Once satisfied, set sharing permissions to the proper level and remove any temporary editor rights if security demands. If something failed, clear your browser cache, use an incognito window, or split large uploads into smaller batches. Network tools and Drive for desktop often resume interrupted uploads. If persistent errors occur, check Google Workspace status and retry during off-peak hours for more bandwidth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.